Throughout the entire unit, we will be using Google Maps. In order to get on Google Maps in your browser, type in maps.google.com and hit the go button. It'll bring you to a screen like this, and you're going to click on the right hand symbol that's a circle with the triangle. Click My Places, and then you're going to scroll all the way down and change it to classic mode, so from mobile to classic. When you get to this page, click on My Places once again. Then it's going to allow you the option to create a map. Click on Create a Map. If you are not signed on to Google, it will ask you to sign on to Google. If you are signed on, then you will just simply click Create a Map. Once you have your map, the first step of this assignment is to locate where all the dictators are from. So the first dictator you need to locate where they're from is Hitler. So you'll type in Germany in the search button, and it will locate Germany for you. In order to close the little left-hand side box, just click the 3 lines. The green mark is not your mark. It is just a location mark. In order to actually make a mark, you have to press the upside-down teardrop. Then make your mark in Germany. Rename the point Hitler, and then explain your information. So the type of government he used, and also how he came into power, and how he ruled. Now, your notes are supposed to just serve as a starting point. You also need to use 1 to 2 other reliable resources from the web. So if I'm looking for additional information, I'll just search in my web browser. And let's say I want to find more information, and I want to use maybe this resource. What I need to do is don't write History 1900s, actually copy the link. So hit copy, so select all, copy, go back to your map, and then paste the link where you got the information in your little text box. The other part of this assessment is that you need to have a visual for each of these things that you're locating. So press the little camera symbol. If you're just looking for an image of Hitler, type in Hitler in Google image search. Then select whatever image of Hitler you want to use, press the select button, and press save when you are done. If you want to go back and edit, you simply just press the little pencil symbol. Save to save it, pencil to edit. The other step of this assessment is that you need to have a different icon for each of the steps. So the first step should have all of 5 same icons. In order to change the icon, go to the 3 little lines, click on where it says Hitler, and a little paint can will appear. Click on the paint can, and you can simply change the color of your mark, or you can change the icon. So you can click more icons, and maybe I want to make mine a skull and crossbones for all the dictators. Now if I close the little side box, now my mark is there, and it's the skull and crossbones. In order to share this map with me, click the share button. This should be your first step, so once you create it, actually share it with me. Hit change where it says private, and put anyone with the link. Hit the save button. Now copy this link. Don't copy what it says in the browser, copy what it actually says here. And sometimes it can be a little tricky. It's a little temperamental at times. So hit the copy button, hit done. Then go on to your Blackboard app. Then go into US History. Then there'll be a Submit Assignment button. So scroll down to where it says Submit Assignment. Click Submit Assignment. It'll take you to a Google document. Open that Google document. Put your name. Put whatever section you're in. Select World War II map and paste your link there. And then click Submit. Now, no matter what you do on that map, it automatically shares it with me. Go back to your map. And the next person you need to locate is Mussolini. So type in Italy, and now it will bring you to where Italy is. So make a mark where Italy is. Type in your info once again. So type in your information down here. Also make sure notes are just a starting point. You also need 1 to 2 other reliable resources. Then click the little camera for your visual. You can do a video. Just click video search if you want a video search. Hit return. Select whichever video you want. Hit the select button and click save when you're done. Now if you notice it went back to the little red icon. Now I want everything from each step to be the same one. So all step 1 should have the same symbol, all step 2 should have the same symbol, and each step should have a different symbol. So in order to change that, what you're going to need to do again is click on the little 3 lines, click on Mussolini, and the little paint can will appear, and change the icon to match the same one as Hitler. Now you're going to repeat this for the next next 3 dictators that you had to do. So make sure you locate where all the dictators are from, write down what type of government they had, how they ruled and how they came into power. Make sure you have 1 to 2 other reliable websites that I can access since that's part of your writing assessment, as well as a visual. So there's a few different steps. So first you got to locate the area. Second, you need to tell me the information. Third, you need to cite, so give me a link to where you got that information from. Fourth, you need to provide a visual, so it can be a picture or it can be a video. And the 5th step, make sure all the icons for that step are all the same. So before you even get started on the map, make sure you've submitted it correctly to Miss Mankowski on Blackboard. Double check with her because some people have been having issues copying and pasting and sharing the link. So make sure it's on anyone with the link and make sure you copy it from that share box. So from this share box, copy the top link. So this link, don't copy the browser. So copy this link. This is the one I need, okay? If you have any further questions, feel free to ask.